Bengaluru was left in shock after a horrifying incident of alleged medical negligence at Chinmaya Mission Hospital. A 6-month-old infant, Balakumar V, reportedly had the tip of his left-hand finger severed during routine discharge procedures, leaving the family devastated. According to the complaint filed by the child's father, Vijay Kumar J, Balakumar had been admitted on February 19th for treatment of severe fever and cold. After 5 days under the care of Dr. Meenakshi, the infant was cleared for discharge on February 24th. The tragedy struck around 3 p.m. when hospital staff were preparing the baby to leave. The FIR states that nurse Anita, while removing the intravenous drip, accidentally cut off the tip of the infant's finger. The family claims that Balakumar suffered extreme pain and grievous injury, while hospital staff initially downplayed the incident, insisting the wound would heal naturally due to the child's age. The parents have accused the hospital of professional recklessness and gross negligence, expressing heartbreak over the needless suffering of their young child. The Indiranagar police registered a case late on February 24th, naming the nurse, the attending doctors, and hospital management as accused. The case has been filed under Section 125B of the BNS 2023. The incident has sparked widespread concern over hospital safety and the vulnerability of patients, especially infants, under medical care, highlighting the tragic consequences of negligence in healthcare settings.